Radiant Faces, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I have got my first glossy box and I'm really excited to see what's inside of it. So I've been busting all day waiting to film and share this with you guys. So let's see what's inside. So about a week ago, I think it was, I signed up for Glossybox, and what Glossybox is a subscription scheme. Similar idea maybe to Beauty Pie, or I'm trying to think what the other one is called that's out there as well. Birchbox, I think, is one of the other examples of a beauty subscription box. So you pay £10 a month and postage, and they send you a box of goodies, and you don't know what's going to be in it until it turns up, basically. And this is my first one, so I'm super excited to see what is in here. So this is how it came. This is the outer box, and then inside there is a lovely, lovely pink box. So this is really cute. It's a really nice sturdy box, so you can reuse this. You could use this to keep your makeup in or other little bits and bobs. It's really pretty. So I love that. And then inside, let's see what we've got. I'm so excited. And then you open it up, and inside there is a little card with some stuff on it, which we'll have a look at in a minute. And then there is your cute little wrapped parcel there with all the goodies in. So the idea with this is that you get to try brands maybe you wouldn't think of trying, or things that you maybe wouldn't think of trying, and then maybe you'll discover a new favourite beauty product or a new favourite makeup brand, who knows. So this says Glossybox the Empowerment Edition. This is the box for March, and then there is a little bit of information, I'm guessing, about the items that you've got in your box as well. And then on the back there's a sneak peek at what you might be getting in April. So it's dead easy to sign up. Basically I went online, and is there a website on here? I'll stick the website down here. For Glossybox, that's where I went. So let's get stuck into this Glossybox and see what we've got. So the first thing in the box is an these masks. I already did like there's a YouTube video where I did animal face mask, and this feels like the same thing. It feels like another like paper mask with the serum kind of imbued into it. Hey, are you going to say hi, or are you just going to hide? Benjamin's come to say hi. Hi. So this is my Glossybox bin, which I got this month, and you get a load of like surprises in it. So Neutrogena.
Surprises.
Neutrogena Ageless Boost Hydrogel Recovery Masks are enriched with adenosine, a well-known anti-aging ingredient to help smooth fine lines for youthful looking skin. Wait. I haven't used much Neutrogena, so I have sensitive skin. I'm hoping this is going to be okay for my skin.
You're putting this on YouTube, right?
Yes, I'm putting this on YouTube.
Okay, good, because if you guys could put in the comments below what I should name my YouTube account. I'm gonna be doing gaming videos, so obviously something coolish, a little bit like Dante EM.
So what should...
Not a rip-off, no.
Yeah, not a rip-off, okay. So what should Benjamin name his gaming YouTube channel? Give us some ideas in the comments below.
Yeah.
So the Neutrogena mask, it retails for £3.50, so that's £3.50 worth of my £10 right there. The next item in my box is Essence Prime Plus Studio HD Hydra Primer Spray with coconut water. And this is, let me put my glasses on, it helps. Okay. This is infused with coconut water, provitamin B5, the perfect base for your makeup. Hydrating, energizing, refreshing, reduces the appearance of pores and evens your skin tone. I think I have another item from this brand. Is that Essence? No, that's something else. I will have to have, oh, I know, yes. I bought a whole bunch and they are super inexpensive. I think these are like a couple of quid each. I'm doing a neon look later in the month and I got some Essence neon eyeliners from Essence. I got like 6 of them because they were so super inexpensive. So let's have a look at this primer spray and see what this is like then. Oh, okay. Quite big droplets, so you want to hold it quite far away. Ooh, okay. Smells nice. It has got like a perfume to it. Next up is, let's grab this one. This is Plumper Lip Balm. Boasting a thick and creamy formula, this plumping lip balm restores and protects dry lips, leaving them soft, smooth and healthy. Also contains hints of peppermint and capsicum. So if you're allergic to peppermint or capsicum, I wouldn't try this. To plump your pout and enhance its natural state. It's 100% natural, vegan and cruelty free. And their iconic eco tubes are made from sugarcane and are 100% biodegradable and recyclable. This retails for £9. So let's have a look at this. Sugarcane tubes. Everybody is getting into. Okay, so is this sugarcane? Is this like made from? It just feels like plastic. So okay. Unless the sugarcane tubes are something else. I don't know. Maybe it is this. But I might try eating it later. Possibly. I don't know. Okay, let's have a look at this lip plumper then. And this is... Ooh, it's thick. It's quite thick. Okay, so it's like... It's a similar consistency to... Carmex. It's very minty. Yeah, so I think this will be... I've got lipstick on, so I won't put it on my mouth, but I'll try this out. This could be my new lip balm before I go to bed. I usually use Carmex, but let's give this one. And it's a really cute little tube. I like the colour. Very me, very pink, very peachy pink. Right, next on the list, let's have a look. I've got another... Ooh... Bella Pierre Cosmetics Kiss Proof Lip Cream, or creme, in Aloha. This is a full-size product, so this retails for £20. So you've made your money back straight there because my box only cost me £10. It's like a kind of corally ready pink colour. This is a liquid lipstick, high impact liquid lipstick, creamy formula, glides on and dries instantly for a gorgeous matte finish, which lasts for hours without needing a touch up. So let's have a quick swatch of that on the back of the hand. And that is the colour of that one right there. That is quite a bright corally pink colour. And it smells like candy. Oh, it smells a little bit like Love Hearts. So we shall test that out. Actually, let's test that out now. Let's test that out now. Ooh. That is a bright colour. That is a very bright colour. That's one for a smoky eye look, not a purple eye look. That dries almost instantly. I guess it's a little bit of a chance as to which colour you might get, so if you get a big bright colour that maybe doesn't... I might have to wait till I have a tan before this all... But... It's come off there a little bit because it was still wet, but once that's dry, that's pretty transfer proof. So you can wear a big bright colour and it's not going to transfer onto everything. That's That has dried on my hand now and is not going anywhere. And then the last thing in my box is this little item here. I think that's the last thing, which is Laritzi Cosmetics Dew Pot, and it's an illuminator. This smooth and blendable highlighter provides a dewy radiance that lasts all day, formulated with ultrafine shimmer that accentuates your features, applied to cheekbones, brow bones, cupid bow for a rosy lit from within glow. Laritzi. I've never heard of this brand, so I don't know if this is like an American brand or... If you're just tuning in and you're wondering why I'm wearing this really bright colour, this is what came in my glossy box. I originally did not match this colour with my eyeshadow. This retails for £15.30. So, and there's 3.5 grams, and it's like a cream illuminator. Put it on your cupid's bow and on your high points of your cheeks for a cute luminescent kind of glow. It smells like herbs again. All these things smell like natural things. So I guess you could highlight your nose a little bit with it as well. Maybe just under the eyebrows. Very nice, very nice, very nourishing. Especially if you've got dry skin or you prefer a cream luminizer to a powder one. Or you could use this as a base, and then if you want to really glow it up, use this as a base first and then put your other luminizer, your powder luminizer on top, and then it will pow, it will just stick to that and you'll be mega bright. I shall give these things a go. We've got the spray, we've got the lip balm, the lipstick, the illuminator, and the Neutrogena mask there, which I will try later, and it will hopefully make me look younger. And then we've got a sneaky peek at April. Get excited, glossies, we're having double fun this April with two special design fruity and floral glossy boxes, bursting with fruit inspired formulas and blooming with flowery undertones. Both edits include a pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. A sleeping mask. Ooh, ooh. So once again, you don't know what you're going to get. It's all a bit of a surprise. And then if you give, if you do reviews on the product, another thing that's great about Glossybox is that you will actually earn glossy credits, which you can earn up to £10 by referring a friend. But also by filling in the product surveys or leaving a product review, and then you add up and you accumulate glossy credits, which then you can use on limited edition boxes, or you can spend them on lookfantastic.com, which is where did I get that from? Yeah, that's where I got my Morph palette, my colourful Morph 35B palette. I got that from Look Fantastic. I shall leave my review and I shall earn some credits. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, click the little bell, and so that you get notified when I upload my new videos. Until next time, see you later. Have a great day. Bye.